Hello, everyone, this is Scarface talking to you. Most of you know of me, and by now you know that I don't play, and I'm only going to say this once, so pay attention. Are you tired of financial struggles? Well, I have good news for you. You can change your situation with the new money on Flier. I firmly believe that I can help you earn up to $10,000 monthly with this mailbox cash money on Flier, all from the comfort of your home. But let's get serious for a moment. I'm incredibly passionate about financial success, and I believe you should be too. Are you fed up with constantly battling financial challenges? It's high time to take action. This incredible opportunity empowers you to effortlessly increase your monthly earnings by sharing your personalized money on Flier. So, what sets this opportunity apart? You have the potential to earn $1,500 daily, and as a bonus, you'll receive 5 books of stamps when someone joins. Embark on your journey of working from home and become the driving force behind turning others' dreams into tangible achievements by distributing your customized flyer. The best part? You'll enjoy the satisfaction of receiving both cash money and stamps directly in your mailbox as a guaranteed outcome. Always remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. It's time to take action now. For any inquiries or more information, please visit www.allyourmoney.net or reach out to Rick at 346-704-1754. Don't let this incredible opportunity slip through your fingers. Start your path to wealth with the money on Flyers today. Here's how to get started. Go to our website www.allyourmoney.net. Pick All Your Money flyer, print it out, fill it out and mail it in with your payment level. Don't forget to call me and let me know, because I just may have a big surprise for you. God bless you.